Minimizing battery drain on iPhone with True Tone.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing some useful tips and tricks to help you minimize battery drain on your iPhone while still enjoying the benefits of True Tone. True Tone is a fantastic feature that adjusts the display's color temperature to match the ambient lighting conditions, providing a more natural viewing experience. However, it can consume a bit more battery power than when it's turned off. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
Adjusting display brightness.
One of the most effective ways to minimize battery drain on your iPhone while using True Tone is by adjusting the display brightness. Lowering the brightness level reduces the overall power consumption of your device. You can do this by going to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and manually adjusting the brightness slider to a comfortable level.
Enabling auto brightness.
Another great option to save battery life is by enabling the auto brightness feature. When enabled, your iPhone will automatically adjust the screen brightness based on ambient light conditions. This means that if you're in a well-lit environment, the display brightness will increase, and if you're in a darker setting, it will decrease. To enable auto brightness, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and toggle the switch for auto brightness.
Limiting background app refresh.
Background app refresh is a feature that allows apps to refresh their content in the background, even when you're not actively using them. While this can be convenient, it also consumes battery power. To minimize battery drain, it's a good idea to limit the apps that can refresh in the background. You can do this by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Background App Refresh. From there, you can choose to disable the feature entirely or selectively enable it for specific apps.
Managing location services.
Location services can be quite handy, but they can also drain your battery if left enabled for all apps. Consider reviewing the apps that have access to your location and disable this feature for apps that don't require it. To manage location services, navigate to Settings, then Privacy, and select Location Services. From there, you can customize the location settings for individual apps or turn off the feature altogether.
Optimizing push email.
If you use the built-in Mail app or have other email accounts set up on your iPhone, the push email feature can contribute to battery drain. Push email constantly checks for new messages and delivers them to your device as soon as they arrive. However, changing it to fetch email less frequently or manually can help conserve battery life. Head over to Settings, then Mail, followed by Accounts, and select Fetch New Data. Here, you can choose the Manually option or set a specific interval for fetching new emails.
Updating to the latest iOS version.
Apple regularly releases iOS updates that include bug fixes, optimizations, and improved battery management. Updating to the latest iOS version can help ensure that your iPhone is running efficiently and taking advantage of any battery-saving enhancements introduced by Apple. To check for updates, go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. There you have it. By following these steps, you can minimize battery drain on your iPhone while still enjoying the benefits of True Tone. Remember to adjust your display brightness, enable auto brightness, limit background app refresh, manage location services, optimize push.